us talk about how you can prevent asthma. But first of all, I want to appreciate all my my fans and my friends for you. Be a while, and I want to wish you all happy New Year. And it has been a really, to be honest, it has been a while. See you people come to life to help giving you height informations, tip to manage your health. And it's actually, to be honest, it has been a while. So today, actually, my main topic today, how to prevent asthma, because I have discovered we are approaching rain season, and hereby where people will be having a lot of cold, your body will be exposing to the cold or to some also exposed to air pollution, etc., etc. So, and today, let me enlighten to you what is actually asthma all about. The topic on what is on asthma, knowing the thing first is very important, and we will be able to help you how you can prevent it when you know it. Number one thing that has to prevent it, we should know the topic. Title of the live stream today is how to prevent asthma. And what is an asthma? Asthma is what is the term referring to is a breathing or conditions of someone's having sure difficulty in breathing, etc. Have for you to breathe become a very big challenge to you. Sometimes when you go to inside, maybe you want to cook something inside your kitchen as your mom, you want to cook something inside your kitchen. But unfortunately, because you cannot tolerate the smoke that comes out from inside the kitchen, before sometimes you'll be battling with your hair, or you'll be battle how to breathe. It become a very big challenge for you. Though that is how what call asthma does. Sometimes if the severe one, that you see people go moving with inhaler to prevent a perversion if this occur, if they shock them, they have difficulty breathing, they will go moving with inhaler. But in this today's topic, today live stream, I want to encourage you how you can prevent it naturally, because I was a victim before, and some years ago I was a victim and have difficulty. Sometimes I cannot expose myself to the able to if for me to go outside, I will put up to 3 shirts. I will wear after put on a cigarette, I will wear another shirt, I will wear another shirt before I will wear suits to just to prevent the cold to come to me. So it is very important for you to know that and what you can do to prevent it. The asthma you see today, because actually you'll be wondering how do you contact the asthma from your body. It's first of all, it started from very early stage where you're exposing yourself to cold. You're exposing yourself, take things and air pollution environment. Most of the time, like most of people that smoke a lot, if you are smoking, please I will beg you. Sometimes if you are smoking, try and possible best what we call detoxify your lungs, because and also we still discover that for you or like sometimes you is most of that is our habit. So that when you want to sleep, you will take a industrial fan to face yourself when you are sleeping. It's not good for your health, because when you are sleeping, your breath when you are breathing in the area, the air that you point to your body, it can become a big challenge for you for breathing, and will transfer cold in your chest. Before you know, you will start accumulating what we call asthma. So let's give you some symptoms what asthma, what it can do, and how it can affect your life and also in the process how you can prevent it. So number one of this is that the asthma, what it does that it block your airway. It becomes inflammation taking place, and when it block your airway, it causes inflammation. That's it pretty much like it will dry up. That so it to breathe become a big challenge. Sometimes you will see some people, they have their inhaler, they will collapse on the road because they're unable to access their inhaler on time. But we can prevent this early stage, because I was a victim like you, like some people like will watch it, or your friend that will share this video to share this live stream to, maybe they will see it so they can have the awareness of it and how they can prevent it so that it will not occur for themselves, because it is very painful that you see your loved one suffering from it to breathe air. The air God gives to us for free. You will be not struggle for it to breathe the air in. You can do it simple way and a simple exercise, and how you can prevent it, and very important of it. So now when we understand that, what if you know that what happened in the process, what the asthma is all about, that one of the that will already occur, that the airway become inflammable swallow, like you swell up. So as it breathes, where the air, where the oxygen and carbon dioxide will flow out, the brain will swell up. When you swell up, that's why you start having some challenging of it because inflammation have take place. So what you need to do, how you can prevent it in this live stream, I will tell you, and what remedy you can use on this live stream, I will still recommend it for you because it is my duty to pass information to you so that it will help you to save life. Because our joy that if you're able to save a life, that person will be able to save another person and will make a world a healthier place for people to live in. So common thing that some then we have some other things like what they call take the muscles around your thyroid. This you see this place, there's a muscle in between the thyroid. So when the muscle was so tight, and if you have issue with it, when you have so tight, because that is why the asthma will occur in that. When the terrace already tight, what will extra muscle will not produce. When you produce extra muscle, what will not happen? Breathing become a big challenge. But in early stage, if you can able to prevent it, like this pollution environment, if you are smoking, I beg you, please try a possible bed and quit it, even quit it totally or reduce your smoking habits. It will help you to save life and to save a full family. Because just as a man, if you have not given birth to your kid and you are smoking, unfortunately, we have your have a victim become a victim of asthma before it can take a life. Because when you are suffering to take your inhaler, if you are able to solve before, if prevention take it, we are not paying for bad thing, it can take a life in that process. So you need to try your possible best and maintain your head. So one of the common symptom you will experience in your like how like those people have issue with the asthma, any early stage of asthma, which you need to know and you need to share it to someone to save your life. Common symptom you have a shortness of the breath. Sometimes so for you to breathe become a big challenge for you. That is the symptom of asthma. Is giving signal that I'm about to approach your body. Please cannot take care of my body. Take care of your body early stage. When you give it the some symptom, try your personal bed, take care of your body. Other symptoms will have a wheezing or dizziness or sound when in your breath. So sometimes when you are breathing, you so you start to have sound in your breath. Even your labor will start to hear your sound when you are sleeping. That are some symptoms because your chest already consumed with your coal, too much of coal. So already gather in your chest. So like all these people, we already recommend vitamin C. Vitamin C is very effective for them. It will help you to remove the coal from your chest. So what you need to do, try your personal bed. When you are having cold in your chest, please don't sleep under fan. So when you are to sleep in the night, especially in the night, because the reason why you should not sleep under fan, one, when your fan is blowing, because when you are sleeping, actually you are not naturally you open your eye unknowing to you. Your eye will be open unknown to you, and the fan will not take the toxins, those bacteria around the environment that will when you are breathing, the fan will not directly translate into your lungs and your eye. So it is very important when you are want to sleep in the especially in the night, do not sleep under fan and do not allow the fan to penetrate through your body when it's rotating. When you don't let the fan penetrate through you, position the fan in a way that it can rotate. It will help you to prevent it. So most of the times you will have for night, so when you are sleeping, no, you don't know what occur in the night because the process of your sleeping when you are breathing in your room, there is a toxins, some dirt inside the place. When your fan is rotating, when you will breathe them in. So this can become a big challenge to you in when you have issue with your asthma as a patient. No, that's why doctor will always tell you that if you're an asthma patient, let your environment be clean. That's why you very early stage you prevent it. Environment, no toxin, no pollution in the environment. Do not go to a place that very toxins, a place with dust, no enter there. When you enter there, it will shock you. Instantly it will shock you. So you need to prevent it from inside. So other common symptoms we have a chest tightness. Your chest will tight too. For it, so that you will see some people they will press their chest, they will put hand for their belly, so they cannot able to breathe because it are the symptom of what asthma. Because it have not yet occurred, it is very good that if you can prevent it in that stage, meet your doctor, tell your doctor these are challenges I'm passing through. Doctor will guide you on it, and also try your best, eat balanced diet and eat foods. The food that will help you, like eat natural food. Like lick more of orange. Orange, if you doesn't have ulcer, take more of orange. It will help you very fast from inside. Other thing I will see, like what I use, this herbal loss cream. You can see it is very good. Yeah, what I use, I use it. I bought it, and this is how it look like inside. And you can see the bottle. And how do I apply it? You take after you open it, you take a clean hanky, clean the surface of the mouth like this, clean it. After you clean it, so if you are smoking, please you can try and get this thing. It's very good for you. It will help you to detoxify your lungs, clear your lungs, the airway. So when you, after you press like this, after you clean the surface, we put it into your nose, press it down. 1, 2, 3. You do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Because these are natural, these herbals is very good because it detoxify your lungs, it cleans the lungs for you. So this helped me when I have severe cold in my chest. This is what I overcome it. So we can see it helps to detoxify the lungs for you. So as I was saying, how you can prevent it is very important. You have to know how you will prevent it. So when you have cold, maybe you may have cold congesting at your night, especially in the night. Sometimes you wake up in the morning, you wake up in the night, all your nose is blocked because it's simply telling you, see you, do not expose me to cold. I am an asthma. I will visit you very soon. So do not expose yourself to cold. That is why, even if you want to sleep, if you actually want to on fan, I will take a lighter blanket. I will take a thick something I will put on my chest if I will sleep. So that the cold will not penetrate through my chest because of the heat. So, but if you are asleep with AC, minimize it for safety condition before you go into your bed and sleep with your AC. So, what I'm trying to point to you that asthma is not friendly when it occurs because it is severe, but it's a treatable condition. It's condition, but we spend more money when it's severe. So, what you need to do afterwards, what can trigger the asthma? What are the things that can trigger asthma to you or in your body in terms of your head, and what you can do to prevent it? I will tell you what you can do, which I have given you some tips along the line, like vitamin C, which I recommend for you, which is very good to enhance it. Like when you already have an asthma already, there's what we call omega-3 salmon oil, and we have what we call respiratory formula. Is very good. We have what we call vitamin C, which I say respiratory formulas. We have it's those are severe with people that cannot. In fact, they are now moving with their inhaler here and there. If you want to read out of it properly, you need omega-3 salmon oil because omega-3 it will help you. Let me give you a sample of the omega-3 salmon oil for you. Sorry. So this omega-3 salmon oil. So I always say that you have to use, if you have an asthma already, this omega-3 salmon oil. You can see at omega-3. You have omega-3 salmon oil pro. It's a pros. It's very, very, very high quality and very rich. Very, very, very good for asthma patients. But the other one is this is called respiratory formulas. This is just designed for if this is the last bus stop. If you want to rid of your asthma, this is the last bus stop remedy. What you can use, like you have to boost your immune system. What we call carotid compress. So if you have a barrel, you can write it down anytime you see across it. If you have a patient have a asthma, you can write it down. Like vitamin C, omega-3 salmon oil plus respiratory formulas. These respiratory formulas, and if you on that one, if you can consistent on this particular formula, the asthma will pack your load and let you go. Tell you what, that's a promise I can give you. But we also know that these are not drugs. This is a full supplement to supplement that food for you. These are, we also know that they are not yet to treat or to diagnose with your drugs. These are supplements. If you know the importance of supplements, they are the food which you're supposed to eat to enhance your body metabolism, to to neutralize, to balance your nutrients, to heat the body. This is what the supplement does in your body. But for in terms of when you are having an asthma already, I recommend this theory. Like you can add five products or omega-3 some oil or respiratory formulas. We have a vitamin C, a carotenoid compress, and 3NA. And these are the five supplements you can use, and you will say thank you to me when you use them. If you use it, you will say thank you to me for the end of the day. So let's proceed. And what can trigger the asthma in your body? No, number one of it, dust and smoke. It can trigger your asthma. So when you are a person that's always gather in a place of dust, or if you are moving like Lagos Road or Ibadan Road or Benin Road, where dust is, too much of dust, where you can find too much of dust, always try your possible best. Sometimes that's why you can use your nose mask to prevent it, to reduce the dust that coming to you in. So these things can trigger it, dust and smoke. If you are smokers, please try this. You will need this to detoxify your lungs, to cleanse your lungs for you, to remove the toxin from your lungs. It's very important for you. So the other one, that's a cold air. So that's why I will say that too much of cold, like using your fan directly to your body. These are things that can trigger the asthma in your body, because everybody have the symptom of asthma. Most of the air challenge will have, everybody have that symptom in their body, but these are things that will trigger it. I'm saying to you, so that you have the awareness of it. If you are having an asthma already and you are still sleeping under fan, that means you will not get results out of it. I do not care how much money you spend in the process when you are treating yourself and you are sleeping. This thing that will trigger it. Try your possible, like especially dust. Do not stay with much of the place of dust or smoke. Like when a place that smoke is not advisable for you, especially to have an asthma, and if you have issue with short breath, which are not yet to be an asthma stage, also try your possible best avoid all this area, like especially dust and smoke area. To also avoid cool environment. Do not expose yourself to AC. Prevent to sleep inside heat until you overcome your asthma. Theory of it on strict exercise. Do not do too much. You can do exercise, but do light exercise. Do not do too much exercise, because you don't have the ability to take the strength of your head to do that strong exercise. So do mild exercise if you are an asthma patient. Theory, strong or slayers of perfume, like also some halves of perfume, they can shock you instantly. So when you are using any perfume that can shock you, as asthma patients, in fact, if you enter the same bus with them, you can shock them in the process of it moving, or because of your perfume, because strong and aroma of a perfume, it can trigger their hair or can shock them instantly. So they will need their inhaler to prevent it. So therefore, you can only take precaution of this environment, how you prevent these issues in the environment, especially your perfume, dust, air pollutions, environment that polluted already, or the water that polluted when you are taking it. Try and possibly, like in your kitchen when you are cooking, like you want to cook fried things, be precautious when you want to anybody that do frying things. As an asthma patient, it's not advisable to come closer to these people. When you after finish cooking, you can enjoy yourself. And also try and possibly reduce your fried food. It trigger it. Especially if you are an asthma patient already, flour food is not your friend anymore. You need to avoid flour food in the process of it. So you all need to know that this they will pollute air pollution, which I said earlier on, and so it's trying to possibly maintain. Also, pesticides, and also you to radars, and you need to spray your house. You will try your possible best. When they raid your house, do not enter the place until the place totally clear off before you proceed into your room, so that this pesticide will not affect you, because you cannot tolerate anything too much of oil or aroma, too much of dust or aroma that will trigger you because of the chemicals inside of the toxins. These are toxins which your body cannot tolerate it. So all you need to do, always tell people that you need this to manage that your health, to have a better health. So what is your obligation that you need to impart your health? These are things you need. Yeah, it will look very simple for you, but these are the main key role. which you have to know and you need to manage it. It is a principle of your health. It is you need to invest that in your health. Take the time. If you are not smoking, but don't go to where people smoke, it will affect your health. You have to know how you can prevent it. Please, you try your possible best to prevent it. It's very important. When you are a little healthier, I will be happy. And when you are sick, like people like us, only cry out there, and I will feel bad that it happened to you because I want you to live better and healthier. That you can see in ancient times, our forefathers they live a longer life and healthier life because type of food they are eating. But today, food we are eating today, it's almost all the food today, it's another, I say 95 of the food we are eating today is under chemical process. So that's why you see a lot of people break it down, go to the hospitals. You will see a lot of people crashing in the hospital. So they don't maintain their health. So let this give awareness to you. Share it to your loved one. Let them know that see, if you want to prevent asthma, if you want to prevent asthma, you have to precaution of this everything I'm saying. Six. Other thing is asthma diagnosed with your system. So if asthma is well diagnosed with you, and I say, oh, doctor diagnosed that you have an asthma, what can you do? There is medicine. The question you want, you have an asthma already. Doctor said, oh, you have an asthma. So what can you do? What are the questions you answer? That are the philosophical questions you ask yourself. What can I do to prevent it? What can I do to cure it? So it's not left for you to take the decision for you. Do you want this thing to go or do you want this to let you go? It's a question of yourself which you need to answer yourself. Number one of the things you need to consider is that say what he said, is asthma dangerous to your body? The other question they ask you, is the asthma dangerous to your body? It can be serious if not managed. So that's why I will say that you need to manage it in the primary stage. That's why I'm here to tell you, to give the information how you can manage it, how you can prevent it. So it can be serious. It's a question, that is a command. It can be serious if you don't manage it. So, and managing is not meant for two things again. You have to manage the early stage. If you don't manage the early stage, it can cause a lot of damage to your body. I can see a lot of people, like damage to your body. Proper way, but many people live normally, actively life with this right card and the treatment. So that means that if you have an asthma, do not say that is the end of your journey. No, people live a normal life, free life. Your body nobody will know you have an asthma because you take the precaution. What I'm saying is, if you are able to take the precaution, what I'm saying is, you will live a normal life, simple life without no complication. So what you need to consider that you need to know that you need to impart this in your mind that you need to impute on it. Now, how to manage it? How do you manage the asthma? Is this other question you need to ask yourself? How do I manage this asthma? There are no permanent cure. You also know there is no permanent cure to the asthma, but it can be controlled within. It can be controlled within, so you can manage it. Precaution is because if you remember, I told you earlier that everybody has the symptom of asthma. But it is when you use something that will trigger it, it will not come up from your body. So it's go with everybody. The symptom of asthma is with everybody. That's why sometimes you will see your nose, cough and catarrh will start to come in. That is so it's a natural phenomenon that comes with everybody. When your mixture is about to crash, then you start to see so many things coming up from your body. But when your mixture is strong, forget about it and you overcome it without no stress. So how do you manage it now? Let's proceed. Sometimes some of them is heredities. Some asthma we see is heredities. Those are part of heredities from your father have it, your forefather have it, your mother have it. It will not generate it from your heredities from within your family. So these type of people, there is a permanent. It's like those people that have some open airways. Sometimes it can be just you want to manage a life like that, and nothing will happen to you. They will live with it over 100 years as they live in their life simple like that because they are able to manage without fear because it's hereditary and you can manage it and you can overcome it. Do not be panic if you have it. So, what other thing we usually encourage you that what avoid tightness or following your doctor advice. Only follow your doctor advice when you have an asthma. Try your possible best and follow your doctor advice. It will help you to manage it. It will guide you what and what you can take. So other simple things I would say, simple way to understand. Thinking of your asthma like breath through, it's like a breath narrow, stretches or in stresses of your wheeling pipe. It's just like a pipe where air will flow past or water will transfer past. When something broke the pipe, that's why you see there's no water on the other side of the road and there's the water on this side. So a simple thing you can do that is this: you may be able to remove that thing that broke that pipe that make the water not able to flow from that place. That is the breakthroughs of it. So for what I always say, some more here who can help you to break through the journey. So if you are a smoker, this if you smoke or you are living in a place of toxins, environment and toxins, I will recommend this herbal spray for you. It's very good. I will recommend it for you. Give it a try. You will love it. And when you spray it, one thing I love about that, after spray it, in fact, when you spray it every time, you make it to it relax your body. It make you to sleep. It make you to sleep very well. It make you to make your body to sleep. Make you relax your body when you use it. It make your body to sleep, relax the body well, and you will sleep well like a baby. So I recommend it for you to eat. I want to say thank you so much for all three of you who have a beautiful time to stand by me, watching the live stream. Please thank you so much. Do well, share it to your loved one. By sharing it, you already save a life of people. Please comment, subscribe to our channel so that you can see more information about our health. Every day I will be coming out to give you some what we have had any of the maybe next time I will come with how to manage your stroke, how you can prevent stroke and arthritis, rheumatism, how you can manage it. I will come with it. I will see any type of food you can eat along with it. But if you want us to talk about a particular topic, please do well, drop it on the comment section. Write this please so as I watch your live stream and I have a social health challenges. Please, what can I use? What type of food can I take? What can how do I manage it? Drop that health challenge you are passing through. I will promise you, I will talk about it, make a video of it, guide you through it. I will tag you to it so that you will see what I'm saying, what you can overcome that health challenges. Remember that sickness is not your friend. Sickness said that, there's a parable say sickness said, say expose me, I will let you go. When you hide me, I will select you. Do not allow sickness to select you. Expose the sickness so that people that have the awareness of it can guide you through it, can tell you what you can do to overcome it. My name is Samuel. I am your food nutritionist who studies on basically food nutrition to guide you on natural routines. Thank you so much. I love you. Stay tuned. I remain blessed.